The dialect are different. So when I'm learning, coming back to my dad, he's like, yeah, he's just like,
no,
don't say it like that. So like it's kind of discouraging because when you're learning, it's just like, I wouldn't say it like that. If you're learning, but then you're just going to confuse yourself. I'll talk every dialect that possibly.
I know what you mean.
I speak Central Igbo, and that's because I grew up in Abia State. And basically, when I speak Igbo, everyone understands me. But when everyone starts speaking Igbo to me, I get confused. I'm like, oh, like it's just like very confusing, especially the Nsukka.
I got in because my parents are both from Nsukka. So when people speak Central Igbo to me, I'm thinking,
I know what it's like. You guys
sound good. Like it's so hard for me to understand. But you see that video I sent in the group chat, and all of you could like, you guys were like, "What's this gibberish?" That's what like my grandma spoke to me, so that's what I understand.
My parents anyway, not teaching me, is that they wanted me to speak good English. They didn't want me to go through the same struggles that they went through, especially as they were first generation. Was that correct?
Yeah.
They were first generation migrants from Nigeria. So they didn't want that barrier between me and, let's say, the Igbos, because that's where the money's at. So that's why they didn't speak it to me. Going up in hindsight, I feel like it's a barrier to me because they're now speaking it with their friends and I'm just there.
When they're like, oh, their parents obviously value English because obviously it's like the language you need to know, but I feel like it's a shit excuse in the sense that it's your, like, Igbo is your mother tongue regardless of anything. Like Turkish, you can speak Turkish from the get-go, Somali can speak Somali from the get-go.
Even Yoruba people
speak Yoruba. That's like, our parents should use, oh yeah, English is important as an excuse, it's rubbish.
Yeah,
both.
I think there is a lot of prejudice when someone speaks with a certain accent. Do you know what I mean? Regardless of where you go, like, you know, you just be judged by your accent. So I think it's, in the sense that for me, I was already very confident with my English and how I spoke to people before I attempted to learn Igbo. Hence why I can switch from British to Igbo and then back to British straight away, if that makes sense.
I don't know if it's been mentioned already, but it's a mindset thing as well. When your parents are, or if they don't teach you, because I feel like, say, coming to this country, they're working, they're speaking English, they get so used to speaking in English that that just naturally flows into the house. I think that's what happened with me. But even when I've told my parents, now, okay, I want you to start speaking Igbo to me, they'll just change back to English. But it's not like they want to, but it's just like, yeah, exactly. So it's a mindset thing.
I think it's the class that he says about recognition because, for example, my cousin in Nigeria, she's lived in Nigeria way more years than me. We're having a very good conversation. I was speaking Igbo, she was speaking English back to me, even though it was her first language kind of thing. It's so weird. But I remember when I went to do my medical elective in Scotland, I was talking to, yes, she was a Zimbabwean woman, but her theory applies to all Africa. She found out that what it is that, so for example, the richer people in Africa, in different parts of Africa, let's say Nigeria, they look down, apparently you look down, you look down and speak your native tongue, and then they see, it's this colonial mindset. English, or if you speak English, that means you're a better person, you're smarter, you're seen as someone higher up in society. So parents want their children to be looked at as better, so that's why they just speak them in English.
So to wrap up this video, my question is, do you speak Igbo? Now, if the answer is no, then we'd love to invite you to our Igbo language lessons. All the details are in the video we just posted before this and in the description below. Looking forward to seeing you there. Cardi.